In a significant move to honor Tripura's royal legacy, the bolster cultural tourism, the TTAADC administration officially inaugurated the long-awaited statue of Maharaja Amar Manikya at Chakrakma Mwtai Chabimura this Sunday. The statue was unveiled by the royal Scion Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Manikya Debbarma amidst a gathering of prominent leaders and local supporters. The installation of the statue at this historic site, famous for its 15th century rock carvings, aims to pay tribute to the ruler whose reign marked a pivotal era in Tripura's history. Tini kok tishalni shalo Chini Bubagra Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Manikya Debbarma Tai the Promothani State Minister Brishakatu Debbarma Obahakina TTAADC ni former CEO CK Jamatia Tai Dalbidal Obahai TTAADC ni Joto administrative officials of Fayoi Sok Pajak Tabuk Amarpur ni Chabimura Thayo Haikuba Amarpur ni Chakrakma Mwtai Thayo Oro tini Chakrakma Mwtai Thayo Phai Bubagra Sak Baktang Phai Ani Kologo Nugiman Khana Chini Thaithangnai Chini late Maharaja Amar Manikya ni mang thong no tini oro Bubagra sak baktang phai ne unveil khlai rekha oboni yagulo tabuk oro Bubagra okamini amchani lukurok bai kok sawi tongo tai okamini khorokcha ochai okra ba bai pris ba mahai je matai ni samung khlai tongnai rok bai malai kok sai tongo tai orni amchani lukurok bai bhani bongni dukhu kosto ni korok khanai tongo bo oboni yagulo chung Bubagra ne tinin tebu schedule tongo tai kubun thai rok bo thangai aro jaga bike rally rok na thangi tongo tai kubungma political campaign ni koekta event na thangi tongo abo sengong no funan chai joi tongo chung ani ang Nelson Debbarma ani logi cameraman Pravir tai boyar seng phai sok pajak tabuk Amarpur area wa amon bagit norok chaiwi nai tongne Chini Khorang mangple chung trek tini ni tam event na thangi tong abo sengong no funa bagai thangi tong. In a notable moment during his address, Bubagra Pradyot extended rare praise towards the state's tourism minister Sunday.The. He lauded the minister's proactive role in enhancing the infrastructure surrounding tourism hubs like Chabimura.
I think more and more information is coming out. Under the tourism minister Sushanta-Chaudhary, a lot of infrastructure has been made, and just because we are fighting an election in the next few weeks, I don't want to criticize the tourism minister for the sake of criticism. He has done a lot of good work. If you see it in Matabari, if you see it even here, infrastructure development is coming up. I was recently in Jampui. I saw the Eden guest house, very well done. So I believe that good work is being done. It was a propaganda by the communists for many years not to highlight the work of our ancestors in our past, but efforts have been made, and I think more effort will be made, and I think if we are also included in some of the decision making, we'll be happy. But overall, I think information is flowing out, and I think what it needs is us to coordinate properly. But nevertheless, let me say that under Sushanta-Chaudhary, tourism department has done very well despite financial crunch, and what you need is young people, young ministers who have different ideas to become part and be given a free hand so that they can develop Tripura. Tripura has huge potential in tourism, especially religious, cultural tourism, and if we can use that to our advantage, it will benefit the poor people, the common people, not only in Agartala but in the villages and in rural parts of Tripura as well.
The ceremony saw the participation of several high-ranking officials and leaders, including Minister Brishakatu Debbarma, CK Jamatia, former CEO of TTAADC, MDC Sadagat Kalai, and other senior officials from the TTAADC administration. Reported by Nelson, Pravir and Boyar from Chabimura, Chini, Khorang.